Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully everyone's having a great day. It's a last video here in Checkmate garage. Well, in this garage at least. Look, everything's gone. It's the last 2 days before we are pretty much out of this house. Everything's packed up. But I do have the Civic in here. Got one last job. Got Bradley in here helping. Yeah. Also, someone's ending for this. Someone might be buying it, but we'll see if we hear back from them or not. But what we gotta do is put the exhaust on because it's super loud without it. And if I have to drive it 30 miles to my parents, I'm not gonna like it with open headers. So, quick little video. We're gonna jack it up, throw it on there. I don't even think I have all the bolts. We'll see what happens. We gotta get this done tonight. We've been packing the U-Haul all day. But enough of me talking, and let's get to work. All the way down. Alright, got the Civic jacked up. Probably did it. Then you decided to go inside. Try and make this a quick video, but sometimes you can look back at. Got the exhaust hanging. The mid piece that goes to the axles. And then I need to run to Home Depot because I still had the nuts on the back of the cat, but I don't. And my box full of nuts and bolts are packed away in the U-Haul. So I need to grab that. And then 2 bolts and nuts for the muffler piece. Sitting right over there. Just got back from Home Depot. Thanks to JC Chris 92 and also Lazy Man Garage for helping me figure out what nuts I needed. They're right here. M10 by 125. So 3 of those go on the back of the cat. It's got some washers for it. Also some bolts for the back part of the exhaust. Then while I was there, saw this deal, $99. Same one I had. And since the last video I did about swapping the suspension on the 2 cars, it ended up missing. So I have no idea where it went. Kind of sucks, but at least they had it on sale, so I decided to buy it because I really like my Milwaukee tools. So yeah, let's get the nuts on this, get the muffler on, lower it, and call it a night.
I see that you're yearning for something more. I feel the waves around me shaking me to my core. I can give to you everything you need. We can live on the water. Oh, there's something right about tonight. Oh, I come alive inside your eyes.
There it is. Ended up leaving the muffler off because I wasn't really paying attention. And the bolt hole for the mid pipe at the end was a lot smaller than this because they run the spring type. Like that. Like most exhausts, but I was just going to go real quick and just put a bolt through it since it's just at the end. Didn't work. So no muffler on this, which will quiet it down because you got the mid pipe and it won't be open headers right here, right where the driver is. Yeah, but that's gonna wrap it up for this little project. Wrap it up for this garage, pretty much. Last little bit of fun in here. Civic's last time in here. Yeah, I'm gonna miss it. This is where a lot of things actually happen in this home, but in this garage, this is where I started my YouTube out. It's only been a few years, only have 1,000 subscribers, but yeah, this is where it all started. Gonna miss it. My workbench right over there. Look at the Civic one last time in the garage here. I mean, I'm not gonna have the Civic for much longer. That's actually what started the channel, the Civic. Still have my Volkswagen. Bought this. It's supposed to be the fun little car. but it might be sold tomorrow or the next day. We'll see. Actually, one of the roofers, I was re-roofing my roof, was talking to me. He totaled his truck and he should be getting his insurance payment for it. He said Monday or Tuesday. We'll see if he actually gets a hold of me and wants to buy it, but it might be gone. I might even drive it down to my parents, but we'll see. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this last video. Well, not my last video, the last video here in this garage. There'll be more videos, and if you didn't notice, seen my Instagram, yeah, the interior got hit. It might be totaled. It's not that bad, but you know, the value of it's not much. According to insurance, still waiting to get the estimate done on it. That'll be Tuesday, 2 days, probably after this video. I'll do an update video on that. But hopefully you like this video. Leave a thumbs up, comment anything down below, and until next time, peace out.